Looking for the absolute best tech gadgets of 2025 that everyone is talking about? We've scoured the market and uncovered the most revolutionary electronics and must-have gear that will truly upgrade your life this year. Prepare to be amazed as we dive into Engadget's top picks, revealing why these 5 phenomenal products are dominating the tech scene. You won't believe the innovation packed into these devices, and the dramatic impact they can have on your daily routine. Don't forget to check the links in the video description to grab these amazing gadgets before they sell out. You don't want to miss out. Number 1. Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. This smartphone isn't just a phone. It's a portable powerhouse setting new benchmarks for mobile photography and processing, making rival devices look like relics. Number 2. Sony WH-1000XM5. Experience sound like never before with these industry-leading noise-canceling headphones. Their comfort and audio fidelity are truly a game-changer for any audiophile. Number 3. Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. Pushing the boundaries of Android innovation, its AI capabilities and stunning display redefine what a premium flagship device can achieve, leaving competitors scrambling to catch up. Number 4. MacBook Air M3. The sheer performance and incredible battery life packed into such a thin, fanless design make this laptop an unprecedented value for students and professionals alike. Number 5. Meta Quest 3. Step into the future of immersive entertainment and productivity. Its mixed reality capabilities are shockingly advanced, transforming how you game, work, and connect. These are the ultimate tech upgrades you need in 2025, offering incredible value and cutting-edge features. Which one will you be adding to your cart first? Let us know in the comments below.